How to record video tutorials. Insert photos with narration. This video shows how to insert photos into your video, edit the photos, and add a narration to them. I also described the snapshot and freeze frame features, which convert a single frame in a video to a picture, then insert it into your video with a narration. The steps can create a narrated slideshow or a video combining video clips with narrated photos. I'm using PowerDirector 13 Ultimate. Other versions may have slight differences. You are watching a Tom's Tech Notes video. If you like this video, please wait until you are finished watching it, then click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page. A welcome video will play to describe my other videos. Before showing how to insert and narrate a photo, I want to describe the PowerDirector Snapshot feature, which extracts a photo from a video you're editing. I've opened PowerDirector with another video for this demo, and I've positioned the time marker where I want to take the snapshot. All you do to take a snapshot is click this little picture of a camera. What it does is, it takes this picture, it saves it in the editor and on your desktop or on your output file, wherever you've defined that output file. So now, if I wanted to read this into the video I'm currently editing, let's say I want to position that same snapshot elsewhere in the video. I'll split it, I'll open it up, and I'll just drag it down into the gap that I opened. Now there's the snapshot. Of course, it doesn't have any sound. I have changed PowerDirector's defaults so that when you insert a picture like that, it will display it for 50 seconds. So that gives you plenty of time to narrate. See video, Basic Video Editing Part A in this series. If it's longer than the gap, you'll have an option to insert and move clips to the right, and you would do that. This one's plenty short. So then I would do a narration here. I'll insert it under the picture. I can cut this very easily. This is selected, so I can advance to the end of it, select this part, split it, and press the delete key and say leave gap. And now the picture will be displayed exactly as much time as the narration I just made for it. And then you can close the gap, click, press delete. FreezeFrame takes a snapshot of the frame currently displayed in the preview window, which is the frame at the timeline slider, and inserts it in the timeline at the current location. You can then use the voiceover feature to add a narration. I prefer to simplify FreezeFrame by turning off title effects. To turn off the title default, select Edit, Preferences. Under Timeline, uncheck the box that says Add an effect and a title when using FreezeFrame. Uncheck the box. I've already done that. If you change it, click OK. I haven't made a change here, so I'll click Cancel. Now to use FreezeFrame, all you do is right-click anywhere on the video, mouse over to Edit Video Image, and then mouse over to FreezeFrame and click it. It took a snapshot of this image, which was displayed in the preview window, and inserted it at the current position of the timeline slider. Now you can do your narration as described previously, and then clip off the excess viewing time for the picture. To insert any picture from your computer into a video, just drag it onto the window for PowerDirector, then go to the media room and drag the photo down into your timeline. I've switched to a different inserted picture to show you some of the modifications you can make to pictures. There are many adjustments you can make to that photo. You can adjust the size of the photo, so select the photo. To adjust the size of the photo in your video window, drag any one of the corners, up or down. What that will do is it'll decrease the size of the picture to fit within the new rectangle. We're resizing the whole picture. We're not cropping. To adjust the brightness of the photo, depending on the version you're using, you can click Magic Tools and then click Magic Fix, or you can just click Fix Enhance. You get the same screen. You're going to do the lighting adjustment. You can drag this to the right to make it brighter or the left to make it dimmer, and then close the window. It's not a huge adjustment. Brighter, dimmer. When you're finished, close the screen. If you wanted that adjustment in brightness to apply to your whole video, click Apply to All. I would not recommend that. Then click the X box to accept those changes you've made. To rotate the video, click Power Tools and Photo Rotation. Now you can rotate it 90 degrees left, 90 degrees right, or you can specify a degree rotation to the right. As you click this, it will slowly rotate to the right. It does change when you change this number. So I've set it back to 0, so no rotation. The check mark is remembered, so if you open Power Tools again, it'll come up in photo rotation. Close the window to get out of the Power Tools. You can crop the photo by clicking the crop button here. Remember, it has to be selected. Make sure it's selected. Crop image. There's a message there. You can ignore it. It's just informational. Now, you can crop the picture by dragging the corners, and that won't reduce the size of the picture like the other one did when I adjusted on this screen. This one will actually do a crop. So if I bring this down, it won't adjust the size of the picture to fit. It will cut the picture off to what's in that rectangle if you press OK. And we'll go ahead and do it. So now the picture has been cropped. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page to watch my other videos.